Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video. I know that I had mentioned to do an everyday makeup routine, but I think I figured I'd change it up and do a review on the new KKW collab 2 with Kylie Jenner and obviously her sister Kim Kardashian. So I wanted to show you guys an unboxing, but I've already opened it, so it's kind of like an unboxing, but definitely a full review for you guys so you can see how the colors swatch on my skin tone and how they work on my lips. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe below and leave a comment down below telling me which gloss or lipstick is your favorite. Start off with the packaging. So obviously I got the box. It's all pink, which is really cute, and then it has her Kylie logo at the top. And then it has in the inside a little card from her and also a photo of her and her sister from the shoot that they've done for this collaboration. And it says KKW, Kylie, round 2, it's all because of you. I get to collaborate with my sister. Thank you for all the love. It's been so much fun creating more colors. So I thought that was a really cute touch that she added to her packaging. And now we're gonna get started to the good stuff. So this is the second collaboration, the KKW by Kylie Cosmetics, and this is what the packaging looks like. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. Super cute. So it comes with 4 different colors, and then I'll read you guys the back of the packaging. It says the 4 colors are Soul Sister, Double Trouble, Twinning, and Main Bay. So I think from what I remember, there's one lip gloss and then one velvet, and the other 2 are liquid matte lipsticks, but I don't know. But I wanted to do a swatch for you guys so you can take a look at all of the colors. I think what intrigued me the most about this palette is that they're all darker tones. I know that they had their first collaboration, and I wasn't a huge fan because I didn't think it would work well for my skin tone. But when I saw that they came out with this one, I'm like, I have to get it. First one is Main Bay, which is a gloss. And obviously this is what the packaging looks like. And I'll show you guys the first swatch. So this is Main Bay, right? Yes. So this is a swatch Main Bay. I love this lip gloss. I mean, this is basically what got me to purchase this product or this collaboration, because I think it's absolutely stunning. It's such a great lip topper, especially if you have a liquid lipstick underneath, and I just love it. So this is what Main Bay looks like. Super cute. The next one is Twinning, and this is actually a velvet liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna swatch it on my arm, and so far I really like the color. Wow, that's really pretty. This is what Twinning looks like. Super pretty. A very, how should I say it? It's not mauve-y. It's more on the reddish side, but it's very muted. Can't explain it, but it's a really pretty color, so I can't wait to put this on my lips and show you guys. Okay, so this is what Twinning looks like. Super pretty. I love this lipstick. I think it's super wearable. You can wear it to work, you can go out with your friends, you can go out for a nice brunch. I think it is absolutely stunning. Like I said, this collaboration is amazing, so I would totally recommend getting it. But this is what Twinning looks like. So on to the next color. Next color that we have is called Double Trouble. This is actually a matte liquid lipstick, and I think the last one in this collaboration is also matte too. So I'm gonna show you guys a swatch, and I'll put this on my wrist. And by the way, if you see my wrist extremely red, it's because I've been swatching already 2 different colors, and this has a lot of red tones in it. So that's what Double Trouble looks like there. Super pretty. This color is my color. My color. So this is what Double Trouble looks like on my lips. As you can see, very, very pretty. If you have my skin tone, or even a deeper skin tone, or even if you're light, a lighter tone than I am, I think this will complement all skin tones. It's very berry-ish in a way. I can't really describe the color. It's just very nice, very sophisticated. I think you could wear this on a night out, or if you're going on a date. Yeah, so if Evan and I go on a date, I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. So that's what Double Trouble looks like. So last but not least, the last matte liquid lipstick is called Soul Sister. So I'll show you guys a swatch. This one is really pretty too. There's a lot of red tones in this collaboration, which is nice because it works well for a lot of different skin tones. So this is what Soul Sister looks like on my wrists. Watch. And like I told you guys, there's a lot of red tones. So you're gonna see my wrist and also my arm like super red. But that's what Soul Sister looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my lips so you guys can see what it looks like. This is what Soul Sister looks like swatched on the lips. Girl, this color is stunning. So this is a matte liquid lipstick, of course, and I'll show you guys a close-up so you can see what it looks like. You can wear this on a date. I would be wearing this on a date if I were going out with Evan. What? This would be the first color I would choose out of all the 4 colors in the collaboration. That's basically it for the collaboration between Kylie and her sister, Kim Kardashian. I totally recommend this collaboration, like for sure. I feel like this is great for all skin tones. I think the entire cost of the collaboration was like $45. I think that's honestly a great price considering that you're getting 4 different types of liquid lipsticks. Totally try it out. I think these colors are fantastic and I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you want to see on the next video. I may do a no makeup look, or I may do my everyday routine. So you guys let me know what you want to see next. I hope you like this video once again, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. I know that I haven't posted a lot of YouTube videos since I've started my channel. The only video that you'll probably will see is when Evan and I went on our honeymoon. I did a vlog about that. So if you guys